Hello, and welcome to the ACCSP's Assignment Tracking Application video tutorial for field users. This portion of the tutorial will cover general login information, an overview of the ATA, site assignments, headboat assignments, pages. For your awareness, you're able to skip to whichever topic of your choosing by selecting the associated timestamp for that topic. In order to log in to the Assignment Tracking Application, or the ATA, field users, which are field interviewers, must receive a username and password from the ACCSP. Field staff should reach out to their state leads, who will request this information for field users by emailing the ACCSP rec support email seen at the bottom of the login page. With this information, users can enter their username and password and click the Login button to access the ATA. If using a temporary password and once you're logged in, users should click Change Password in the upper right corner of the ATA. Once clicked, a page appears allowing users to create a unique password of their choosing. For your awareness, the purpose of the assignment tracking application tutorials is not to cover procedure manual items. These videos are established with the user already understanding basic survey procedures and are designed to cover application function only. On the home page, you will see the options to change password and log out in the upper right of the page. Towards the bottom of the page, you will find the latest version of the Dockside Interceptor applications, or DIA, for your reference to ensure that applications are up to date on your tablet. If you're not already aware, the DIA is used to carry out the Access Point Angler Intercept Survey, commonly referred to as the APIS. In the upper left corner, there is a three-tier lined icon. Once clicked, it expands the navigation menu. Within the navigation menu, you're able to click directly into a page. There are also pages with collapsed menus. To expand these menu options, click the arrow to the right, then click on the specific page to directly access that information. Additionally, the ATA is available to view on your phone. If you are in a pinch and need to check your site or headboat assignment schedules, you may access the ATA if away from your computer to check your schedule information. Examples of useful information include the control number, the assignment date, the time slot, the site numbers, the ability to check for overlap assignments with other interviewers at the same site on the same day, and the assignment status. Also, if you click on the control number for a completed assignment, you'll be able to view completed assignment data. If you notice any errors, you can then bring this to the attention of your state lead, where they can notify the ACCSP for correction. On the Headboat Assignments page, you're able to filter assignments by begin date and end date. By default, the page will show assignments for the current month. On this page, you can view your upcoming assignments and useful information for each, including the control number, vessel information, the assignment date, the site number, the other field interviewer you are working with, whether or not you've been assigned as a primary or secondary field interviewer for the assignment, and the assignment status. Also, if you click on the control number for an assignment, you'll be able to view completed assignment data. As with site assignments, if you notice any errors, you can then bring this to the attention of your state lead, or they can notify the ACCSP for correction.